Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with the maintenance of your Dell P48E, you will need a few essential tools. These include a Phillips screwdriver, a soft cloth, compressed air, and thermal paste. Ensure that you have these items ready before starting the process. First, power off the device and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the Dell P48E. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later to reassemble the device. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel off to expose the internal components. It's important to handle the parts with care to avoid any damage. You may want to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the internal layout of the device. Now, let's focus on cleaning the internal components. Using the compressed air, blow away any dust or debris that has accumulated inside. Pay special attention to the vents and fans, as these areas can greatly affect the cooling performance of your device. If you find stubborn dust, use the soft cloth to wipe down surfaces gently. If you notice that the thermal paste on the CPU or GPU looks dry or cracked, it's time to reapply it. Carefully remove the old thermal paste using a cloth and some isopropyl alcohol. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste to the CPU and GPU surfaces, ensuring even coverage without overdoing it. During this process, if you encounter any difficulties or if you don't have the tools needed, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This can save you time and ensure that your device is handled correctly. Once the cleaning and reapplication of thermal paste are completed, it's time to reassemble the Dell P48E. Carefully place the back panel back onto the device and secure it using the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened properly to avoid any rattling or loose components. After reassembly, reconnect your device to the power source and power it on. Monitor the performance to see if the maintenance has improved its functionality. If you notice any ongoing issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to deal with transportation hassles. Lastly, always remember that you can request a quote before repair. This way, you will have a clear understanding of any potential costs involved in further maintenance or repairs. Regularly maintaining your Dell P48E will not only enhance its performance but also extend its lifespan significantly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.